Here's a quick video on how to set up Drive file stream on your computer at school. It's worth noting that you can install file stream on your personal computer at home if you have a device by just googling file stream, Google file stream, and then downloading, and then the setup process is exactly how I'm going to show you right now. The first thing you need to do is launch Drive file stream by searching for it in the bottom left hand corner where the magnifying glass is. You just type in Drive file stream. You should see the application there. If you click it, you should get a window pop up like this asking you to sign in. I'm just going to sign into my school's Google account, type in my password, hit OK, and then file stream will be loaded. Now if I open up this PC, I'll be able to see Google file stream loaded up there, and also right there where my H drive and J drive and S drive are. Now the setup process will prompt you with a screen that looks like this, just to talk you through Google file stream. You just click next, and then it will prompt to open up the folder. The folder, just like shown before, will look something like this, Google file stream, just right where your location, where your H drive, J drive, S drive, and all your department drives are loaded. So you can access your Google Drive through the same process you will normally access your H, S, or T drive. So shared drives we're not going to be using or talking about in this video, but my drive is where all your files will be. All your files will be located here. Any file you add in your file stream will also be replicated in your online Google Drive. So if I load up my online Google Drive, which is just here, you can see the folder structure is resembled to what I have here. If I make a new folder on my computer here, so new folder, I'll just name it, and then I load up my online version of Google, you will notice new folder has been made here. If I make a file in Google up here, so if I go to open the new folder, click new, and make a Word document, for example, and call this document test. So just a simple Google Docs, which is equivalent to Word, and type in hi, this was made in Google. This would then save. I can close this down. If I now open the new folder and I refresh, just waiting for it to load. There may be a bit of a delay while it loads, but while we wait for that to load, I can also make a Word document in Word like normal on the computer. So just open up Word, hi, this was made on Word, and I can save this straight to that same Google Drive folder. So if I just go to my Google Drive folder, save it in that new folder, save the file there, and now if I now go back to that same folder, you'll see both files there. Now I can open the test file that was made in Google, and that will then launch in Google, or I can also edit the document. And the same way I can also edit a Word document that was made here, and it will also save to my Google Drive. If I load up Google Drive, you will see also in that same folder the Word document there. Now whenever you're opening a Word document in Google, it will open in a preview mode because it's not a default Google app. But I can always edit the document in Google Docs by just clicking open in Docs at the top there. So I'll just show that process again. So open with at the top there and select Docs. Then the document will open up at the top, and I can write a message in here saying this was written in Google Online. Once the changes have been saved, you'll see there all changes are saved in Drive. I can close that down, go back to my Drive folder, I can check and see the preview has got the update. I can also go back and see the update that I opened in Word originally should also have the update. There may be a bit of a delay, as you can see here, the text has not been written, but if I close it down, wait a few minutes, wait for each one to talk to each other, you can see the message has appeared there. So the same thing can also be done with this. If I wanted to move a folder over from my H drive, so if I wanted to grab a folder, so let's just make a demo folder right here. So if you had, for example, a scheme of work that you had saved in your H drive or S drive, so imagine this was a demo of a scheme of work folder, we can move that straight over to Google Drive by going over to My Drive. And then if I go back to My Drive, I will see that demo folder that I moved over there. And we'll also be able to see that happen in Google as well, where I've got that demo folder there. The same will happen if I delete a file from Google. It will also delete from the file stream here. These are just links to everything that's stored in Google. They do not take up storage on your computer. They're just links to where everything is stored on Google. I hope this video helps on how to set up FileStream and the basics of how to use FileStream as well. Thank you.